Hello everyone, so for the base here I'm using Blush Pink cardstock from DressmyCraft. They are very good fine quality. So here I'm using DressmyCraft trimmer too for trimming out my pages. And here I'm cutting on 12 centimeter. And now from this side we are gonna score on 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter, then again 10 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, then 10 centimeter. And then just score all the lines. So here my page was a little small, so here I've added a extra small piece to make it the exact size which I was supposed to need it. Now score all the lines properly. I'm using a scissor. If you have a bone folder, you can use a bone folder too. So this is your first card. Now we are going to take second cut on 9 centimeter and score on 9 centimeter, 18 centimeter and 27 centimeter. And score the lines properly. Now for the third, cut 8 by 8 centimeter piece like this. Now so we're going to take our first card and score all the lines as shown in the video. So from the top side we're going to score on 1.5 centimeter, from the bottom 4 centimeter, and from the side we're going to score at 0.5 centimeter. And the line between the top and bottom we're gonna cut that only line. And we're gonna insert a strip through this for making the slider mechanism. So here it is. Now take the second piece and score 2 centimeter from the top, 2.5 centimeter from the bottom and 0.5 centimeter from the sides, and cut the line as shown and insert the same strip as we did before. Now take the third piece and stick it on the slider as shown in the video. Stick it very carefully. Otherwise, if you're not sticking as I am, you won't be getting the slider mechanism. And now here it is. Now stick pattern paper. Here I'm using DressmyCraft Sweet Treats paper pack. And stick this flap also. We are gonna stick it from the top and the bottom and not in the center, because of otherwise our mechanism will not come. Now take the first piece and stick this piece which we have made right now on the white slider. So if you all are thinking why I have leave 1 centimeter from the side, because if I will do layering in that, so it can move easily. Now here I'm sticking pattern paper. So here you can take your own measurements, but if you want the exact measurement which I have taken, you can just comment below. I can share you the measurements too. Now stick this pattern paper on the outside of the cover. Also guys, so sorry for bad lighting, actually due to bad weather I couldn't shoot. That's it. Now we're gonna stick this flap also. Do it very properly and carefully. And here the base is ready. So here I'm using soft floral oriental collection from DressmyCraft for making my flowers. So here I have made. So here using DressmyCraft motif shape. Here I'm embellishing each and every flap to make it look more beautiful, but it's up to you. If you want to add pictures, you can add pictures too. So here we are done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.